Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to upload new resume on LinkedIn profile in a mobile phone. So guys, first thing what you will do is you have to install the LinkedIn application into your device. And from here, just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go to your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. So guys, from here, just simply go ahead and go to the very bottom and click on the settings. And from here, just simply go ahead and go for data privacy over here. And now once you have clicked on that, just simply scroll down and you should be able to see here job application settings. So just simply go ahead and tap on this job application settings. And from here down below, as you can see, you should be able to see here, upload the resume, and just simply tap on that, upload resume, and just simply select the file of your resume, and you should be able to upload it. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about LinkedIn application on your mobile, and that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!